Welcome back. In this video, we are going to learn about the all underscore products object in Shopify, how to use all products in Shopify theme. We will be looking at a way to access the product information without having to loop over a collection or be on a product detail page. We will be accessing any product at the home page, and how we can achieve that. We can achieve this by using all products. Okay, in sections we need to create a new file, custom product.liquid, and we need to write some schema custom product object, and presets name custom product object. Okay, now we need to write all products object. In all products object array, we need to pass the product handle. So how we can get the product handle? We can go to the Shopify admin and go to the products and open any product and scroll down, and from here you can grab the product handle, copy that and pass that into this array. Okay, now we have access the product object. Now we can get anything about this product. For example, if I would like to get title, I will type .title and save that. And if I go to customizer and reload the page and add section custom product object, save that, and as you can see we have access of the product, and if you reload you will get the product title. Similarly, we can grab the product description, and if I type here product content, it will display the product content. Now you see we have the access to the product content as well. We can assign this to a variable, something like this, that we remove that and assign a variable, assign product, and then all underscore products, and in array let me grab the handle of any other product, go that in the products and click on this product, adjustable straight fit cargo pants, and copy the handle. This is the handle of this product, copy that and paste that over here, and then you can print the product dot title, save that and reload the page. Now you see we have adjustable straight product fit cargo title. So let me grab the images of this product. So I will write a loop here for image in product images, and I can type image tag source source would be image dot source, and then we need to add a filter, image URL, and width would be 500x, and then alt tag product image, and let me add a BR at the end. Save that and reload the page, and now you see we have the images of that product. So this is how you can access the product object with the help of all the products. So let me just make it dynamic so you can change the product from the customizer easily. So here I'll type would be product, and ID would be product as well, and label would be product. So with this setting, I can select any product from the customizer, and let me just pass here section dot settings dot product. So that will return us a handle of the product, which product we are going to select from the customizer. So let me reload this. And from here I can select any product. So let me select this product again, and now you see we have the images of that product. If I change from here any other product, let's say this one, I will grab the images of this product. So with the help of this all product, you can access any product from your Shopify store. Thank you.